Menteri jong Sorkar jelah ni kesengi kalau banjur ban Pynjlan ya ka samoi trei jong ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council bat jong ka Janja Hills Autonomous District Council na ka benta nru bnai ya ne ka rai la manjur da ka kanhun menteri ha ka jing ya kendo ka balalong ni kesengi ka artre rampang arah jara arpsa nagaleng usumbut menteri rangba ka jelah ba Presiden Song ubadairu menteri badai pet ya ka tana DCA haba keren batinong tho kubor ulai tu ba ka jing Pynjlan ya ka samoi trei jong kini ki arteli ki district council kadai halor ka nongrem ba kini ki district council kidang penbet ya kisnong hagi constituency ki ba pher lengba ka delimitation committee ka ba kila thau house nem baladam su na kaleng ba song ula ong ba kini ki committee kala panpor ban pendap ya ki kam ki ba ya dei berkejing penbet thamai ya ki constituency ha ka ba kila phai ki jingkarpat sa Sorkar langba ka tana DCA bat nagaleng Sorkar langba ka kanhun menteri kalakmi bnia ya kane bat kerashim ya kane rai ban Pynjlan na ka benta riu bnai yak samoi trei jong kini ki arteli ki district council.
Good evening, friends. A few decisions today taken by the cabinet who came in from the Department of DCA, District Council Affairs Department, where the proposal was for the extension of the terms of both Khasi and Janja Hills District Council. So I wanted to explain here. I think if you could recollect, last year, towards the end of 2023, the Honorable Governor has granted both the District Council for constitution of the Delimitation Committee, and this Delimitation Committee is on the job as per the prescribed guidelines done. And recently, both the District Council, again they have sent the proposal to the state government for extension of Delimitation Committee, and that extension was also sought by both the Delimitation Committee through the Executive Committee of both Khasi and Janja District Council, and ultimately the government and the Department of District Council Affairs has examined all these details, and ultimately the cabinet this evening has approved the proposal for extension of the present terms of both Khasi and Janja District Council for another 6 months. And this term for another 6 months, meaning because the term of both these two district councils will be expired in the month of March, 5th March 2024. From that date itself, 6 months is approved for extension, and now the state government will send this recommendation to the Honorable Governor for approval and for according the necessary order on this.